Hi, welcome to CS2Go with Code Savvy. This video will focus on using App Inventor to create a scavenger hunt app. App Inventor is a free platform that uses drag and drop block coding. Hi, my name is Amber. I'm a teacher and a coding mentor and coach. And here's my dog Max. This week's challenge is to create something in honor of National Scavenger Hunt Day. We are going to create an outdoor scavenger hunt app to find items from a list and allow users to add items to that list. As always, we begin with the designer page. This is where we choose the components the user will use on the app. We drag and drop them onto the phone. They show up over here on the components section. For this app, we have two labels and a list view. The labels are instructing the user on how to use the app, and the list view will have the elements for the scavenger hunt. It's time to code. Click on the blocks button in the upper right-hand corner. First, make a list. You're going to need to use a variable, the lists, and texts to set the items that you want your user to find. What do you want them to find? Next, we tell the screen to show the items in our list when the user opens the app. We want the item to disappear after the user finds it and chooses it, so we need to tell the list view elements to change by removing that item. Now let's test it. Use AI Companion app or the emulator to live test. Let's try it. How about if we could add some items to make our list longer? Let's code it. For the user to add items, we need a text box and a button. I have a hint for the text box. Add an item to the list. Then they save it with the button. When the user presses the button to save a new item, it's going to add it to the list. Then we want to have the text box go back to blank to add another item. We coded a scavenger hunt app that uses list view, variables, buttons, and a text box. Now it's up to you. Can you add a timer to see who's fastest, another screen for another list, or points to see who finds the most? There are so many different types of scavenger hunts you could create. How about one for indoors, in the forest, around a pond, or how about for your next road trip? Now it's your turn. What will you create in honor of National Scavenger Hunt Day? That's it for this week. We invite you to share what you've created. Go to cs2go.org and put your project on the Flipgrid or Google form. Thanks for watching. Tune in next week for more CS2Go with Code Savvy.